I forgive a little more. I'm full of happiness.
There's a place for people like you.
I'm full of sweetness.
There's a place for people like you.
Oh, Jannah, Jannah, Jannah,
Jannah,
Jannah, Jannah, Jannah.
It's the place
For people like you, embracing greediness by you, keeping your arms folded for long. It ain't a big deal at all. Allah won't spare you. Arrogance towards people around you, arrogance towards the elderly. This arrogance is gonna lead you to the endless pain. Portraying bad deeds, missing the 5-time prayers, showing hatred to people. There is no much time for payday. If you don't teach what you learned about then, if you're so stingy with your knowledge, know for sure there is a place for people like you. If you displease Allah in every moment
of your time.
in every single day of your life, there is
There's a place for people like you.
place full of pain.
There's a place for people like you.
Place full of
There's a
tears.
place for people like you.
Place full of
There's a
regret.
place for people like you.
Oh, Jahannam, Jahannam, Jahannam
It's the place
for people like never think until you're better. Make sure that you please your creator, you're better. Make sure whatever you said is good. Allah will grant you better.
better praise.
Surely there's a better place where we will enjoy forever and no worries, no pain in there.